Welcome, little Einstein buddies. Are you ready for a fun math challenge? Let's put our subtraction skills to the test today. It is a very easy mode. The quiz will consist of 50 questions, divided across 4 levels of difficulty. Let's get started. Level 1. Question 1. 2 minus 1 equal to. A. 1. Question 2. 5 minus 2 equal to. C. 3. Question 3. 6 minus 4 equal to. B. 2. Question 4. 8 minus 4 equal to. D. 4. Question 5. 9 minus 7 equal to. C. 2. Question 6. 8 minus 3 equal to. A. 5. Question 7. 9 minus 1 equal to. B. 8. Question 8. 8 minus 2 equal to. C. 6. Question 9. 6 minus 3 equal to. D. 3. Question 10. 7 minus 7 equal to. A. 0. Question 11. 7 minus 3 equal to. C. 4. Question 12. 9 minus 3 equal to. B. 6. Question 13. 8 minus 1 equal to. D. 7. Question 14. 7 minus 5 equal to. A. 2. Question 15. 5 minus 2 equal to. B. 3. Good job, let's move up to the next level. Level 2. Question 16. 5 dinosaurs minus 3 dinosaurs is equal to. Two dinosaurs. Question 17. 4 plushes minus 1 plushes is equal to. Three plushes. Question 18. 8 UFO ships minus 2 UFO ships is equal to. Six UFO ships. Question 19. 7 capybaras minus 3 capybaras is equal to. For capybaras. Question 20. 9 cupcakes minus 1 cupcake is equal to. Eight cupcakes. Question 21. 6 dogs minus 5 dogs is equal to. One dog. Question 22. 7 dolphins minus 4 dolphins is equal to. Three dolphins. Question 23. 8 planets minus 3 planets is equal to. Five planets. Question 24. 9 astronauts minus 2 astronauts is equal to. Seven astronauts. Question 25. 8 popsicles minus 6 popsicles is equal to. Two popsicles. Great job! Take a breath and let's continue to level 3. Question 26. 8 minus 8 is equal to. Zero. Question 27. 9 minus 0 is equal to. Nine. Question 28. 7 minus 2 is equal to. Five. Question 29. 9 minus 2 is equal to. Seven. Question 30. 9 minus 1 is equal to. Eight. Question 31. 8 minus 5 is equal to. Three. Question 32. 9 minus 5 is equal to. Four. Question 33. 3 minus 2 is equal to. One. Question 34. 8 minus 3 is equal to. Five. Question 35. 9 minus 3 is equal to. Six. Question 36. 6 minus 4 is equal to. Two. Question 37. 8 minus 1 is equal to. Seven. Question 38. 9 minus 4 is equal to. Five. Question 39. 9 minus 7 is equal to. Two. Question 40. 8 minus 4 is equal to. Four. Incredible kid! Now you are left with the last level. Level 4. Good luck! Question 41. Julie has 4 apples. Then, she eats 1 apple. How many apples does she has left? Three apples. Question 42. James has 5 cookies. Then, he gives his friend 2 cookies. How many cookies does he has left? Three cookies. Question 43. Noah has 6 balloons. Then, he pops for balloons. How many balloons does he has left? Two balloons. Question 44. Mom gives Emma $9. Then, Emma donates $7 of the money. How many dollars does Emma has left? $2. Question 45. Today, Jack wants to read 3 books. This morning, he has finished reading 2 books. How many books that he has left to read? 1 book. Question 46. Mary has 2 boba tea. During lunch, she drinks one of the boba tea. How many boba tea does she has left? One boba tea. Question 47. There are 8 flowers on the plant. John plucks 3 of the flowers. How many flowers left on the plant? Five flowers. Question 48. Mason has 7 lollipops. He gives his friends for lollipops. How many lollipops does he has left? Three lollipops. Question 49. Liam has 9 fireworks. He burns 2 fireworks. How many fireworks does he has left? 7 fireworks. Question 50. Lucas has 3 robots. He breaks one of the robots accidentally. How many robots does he has left? 2 robots. Well done, everyone. So, what's your score? If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more fun math games and quizzes.